Hi, Ashley here with HeartHookHome.com, and today we are going to learn how to do the standing double crochet. I've gone ahead and done a yellow row here with the traditional method of inserting your hook, chaining two, putting that double crochet in that same space. That usually works, and it will work for just about any project you're working, except that it leaves this little bulge here where we did that chain. If you look at the other color changes that I've done here, I've done those as standing double crochets, and you can see here's this big bulge from where you did your chain. Here we have no such bulge. This is just your beautiful standing double crochet. So let's learn how to do this instead of this. I'm going to rip this out. And now, instead of doing your attach, chain two, and go back in, we're going to use our working yarn and have that back here in the back of our project. And we're just going to hold it up, just like we would if we were going to be changing colors. So now, instead of pulling up that loop, I am going to wrap my hook twice and insert into the designated space, stitch. Now pull up a loop. You've got 3 loops on your hook, just like you would at this point with a double crochet, so just finish it like you would a normal double crochet. Make sure you hold this tail with your hands in the back so that it doesn't go anywhere. And now that's it. Now you're just going to finish doing your double crochet across the row. Let me do that so that we can see the difference between the first one that I had and this one. So instead of having that big ugly chain coming out of the side here, you see how we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches, and you can't tell that this is where I started. I'm going to have to go to the back here and weave in this end. You could crochet across or around it for the duration of the row as well. But look at how nice and clean these color changes are back on this side as well. Even on the back side it looks nice and pretty. So let's do that one more time so we make sure we understand exactly what we're doing. Take your yarn, your working yarn, and hold it back behind the piece, somewhere where you're going to be placing that first stitch. Now instead of inserting and pulling up a loop, you're going to wrap it twice, go into the designated stitch, pull up a loop, and complete your double crochet as normal. Continue double crocheting until you finish that row. And that is all there is to the standing double crochet. I hope this helps you. I hope you enjoy this method, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks for watching.